How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can switch dual mode on the LG UltraGear. Now, it's going to be extremely simple. Basically, it's going to be inside the OSD setting, which means the on-screen display setting. Now, to locate that, you want to head over to the joystick of your LG UltraGear monitor. Most likely it's going to be at the bottom of your monitor right here, or if your model comes in with a remote, you could just press on it and the OSD will then show up, which is going to look something like this. Now, your controls will have this up and down, left and right button. So what you want to do is to just navigate through the game adjust, head over to the dual mode, and from there you're simply good to go with that few simple steps by just pressing the OSD controls right here. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.